Welcome to Mora FC. It is what it is. Just look how this beautiful pocket. You can put this pocket on any tab that you're gonna create. You can do this. You can just follow the same procedure, the same step, the same measurement, and you're gonna achieve the same results. It is what it is. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment, and click on notification bell. Anytime you subscribe, you comment, you like, it motivates me to bring up great videos for you guys. So please subscribe, like, and share, and comment. I'm gonna give you the details that you need in achieving this beautiful pocket. So let's go started. Cut your fabric 10 by 10, 10 inches by 10 inches, and you fold it like this. We need the middle line, we need the middle. This is the wrong side. Work on the wrong side. I'm going to measure 1 inch over here, then 1 inch over there. So 1 inch over here and 1 inch over there. I need 2 inches in the middle. I need 2 inches in the middle. So you can see we have 2 inches in the middle. So we're going to fold this part on the line and we're going to iron it. That gives us a straight line to serve us as a guide. We do the same thing here. This is the wrong side, as you can see. So we need this pattern. This material also is 2 inches by any long that you want, like 5 inches long. So this is 2 inches, and we're going to fold this back. That is the opening side of the pocket. It's important to fold it first. We're going to open it. So you can see this is how it's supposed to be. You can measure 1 inch from that top before you put it on there. Then you pin it. You can see it fall in the middle with the 2 inches that we gave. We left English in the middle. So I'm pinning it down. Don't remove it there, just leave it there. Let it rest like that. So you cut the unwanted part out, just like that. So now I'm going to open it. We're going to fold this like this. Then we sew from the top to the bottom. From the top to the bottom. That's how that place is supposed to be. So you have to leave it there. So this is 1.5 inches. This is 1.5 inches. So I'm going to fold it like this. That is the birth, and I'm going to sew from that place to the top. This is 2.5 inches. 2.5 inches long. 2.5 inches. So I'm going to fold 1 inch here. That is 1 inch over there. So I'm going to draw a straight line. Because it's folded, it has been folded, so I need to do it this way. You need to do it this way to get the right measurement. So you can see we have 1 inch here. That's the 1 inch that we need. So I'm going to measure 1 inch over here, 1 inch over there. I need the center of it. So you just have to fold it like this. So we're going to sew from that point from there, or you start from the top and go to that angle, each other way you want to start it. So in this one, like I said, you just have to sew it straight to the top. So let me do that and count. This one we have to fold, and we sew from here, then we sew from that place and count. So let me do that and come back. So you can see you have joined that part. So we're gonna cut this one and we flip it over. So this one too, we just have to flip it over. You can see I've joined it together. Going to flip everything over. This one too, we're gonna flip it over. Just look the way I'm gonna iron it. The seam side is supposed to show at the top, as you can see. Just iron it this way. Then we're gonna sew on top around it. This one to be iron. We're gonna sew from here around it all. Then we're gonna top stitch here as well. We top stitch. But oops, we made a mistake. This one too, we're gonna top stitch it. We made a mistake here. We're supposed to fix the holder first, so we're gonna just a small mistake. So we just have to open this part up. We're supposed to fix that one there before we sew that part. But hey, it is what it is. When you work, you can make a mistake, and you just have to correct your mistakes. It's life, it's part of life, to understand. So after top stitching, then we have to put it there before sewing that part, you know. Mistake is, you can see I have top stitch around. Mistake is part of us. We can go away with the mistakes. Sometimes you're gonna make mistake. So when you make mistake, you just have to correct your mistakes and you move on, you know. So we're supposed to fix this one there before showing that part that we did. So we just have to open it and we just have to put it there just like that. Then we go to the sewing machine. Then we sew from that part, from the top to down. Then we sew from top to down here. Then after that, we top stitch on the top. So let me do that. We top stitch on the top like that. And we top stitch this one too. So let me do that. You can see I've done it. I just top stitch, fix everything in, just iron it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, comment and click on the notification bell. I post videos every Sundays and sometimes on Mondays. If I couldn't post it on Sunday, it is what it is. So after this happening down, just have to fold to open it back to its position again. I'm checking here, we have that is 2.5, from 2.5 5 inches in the middle. I want my pocket to be 5 inches. So that we have a line in the middle, so that's a line that I started from. I measure from that line in the middle 2.5, and I count from that part 2.5 to get 5 inches in the middle. I want my pocket to be 5 inches. You can make it 4 inches or 4.5 inches or 5.5 inches. It's up to you. I want my pocket to be 5 inches. And I want the length also to be 5. It can be 4, 5.5, it can be 6, but I want it to be 5 by 5, 5 inches by 5 inches, 5x5. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, comment and click on notification bell for you to get any video that I'm gonna post. It is what it is. So you see how beautiful the pocket is? Very simple and easy. Just try your hands on it. You can put it on any top that you're gonna make. You can create this design. Just have to put it in like that, and you hold it there, fix it in the middle, then you chop off the wanted part, not all of it. After that, pull it in like this, then you iron it. Voila! The pocket is done. So you get your bottoms. You fix your bottom first before fixing this pocket on a top. Fix the bottoms first before attaching it to any tab. So I'm going for a bottom, so you can see. Put it on it like this, then you fix it. Get your needle or your pin, whatever you call it. Just use that one and just fix this one. This one I was talking about. You just fix your pin. You just fix the buttons first before fixing it on your top. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Thank you so much. I will appreciate your love, your support. God bless you. It is what it is.